Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what you get here in this awesome set from MLemonVR for the Oculus Quest 3S. It works actually more or less also for the 3, except from the camera opening, which are not perfect, but for the 3S it will be absolutely perfect. And so we get a whole set here which includes additional comfort and safety for the glasses and also for the controller. So it's a very comprehensive set. It's absolutely amazing what they have been packing here inside. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and how we can use that. So here we can see what we get. Everything comes nicely packaged with decent protection, everything well organized, all the single pieces in good quality. So we really get everything what we need. Here all the different parts. And so it's super easy to apply the front here. Just push it over the front. Has a good solid hold. Then here the inside, you can see has an absolutely perfect fit here. Also super easy to apply in just a couple of seconds. Everything fits perfectly all the way around. Here even these different anti-sweat pads, absolutely perfect. They are washable, can be reused. And then we have this joystick protection. Very easy to apply here on top. Just pull it over the existing joystick button. And then it has a very solid hold. And then we have much more grip and great protection here. And then we can remove the original battery cover, just push down on top, pull it down. And then before we apply the new stuff, we remove this hand strap here because we don't need that anymore. And then we can use one of these Velcro straps which we get, wrap it around the battery, go through this hole, and then we can push it inside again, but we have this strap for easy removal. And then we add the new cover, new battery cover instead of the original one. Just make sure that the strap is feeding through the opening. End of the strap can easily be stored inside. And then we can slide the extra grip protection on top. Just slide it here inside, align also the opening here. We can also nicely close the battery compartment perfectly for easy access. So you can see when you need to replace the battery, you just open the new lid, grab this strap and pull the battery outside, replace it and push it inside again and close the compartment. And then we can hold the controller, grab the strap to the outside, slide it through the opening here and secure it outside. So we have an awesome grip now without the old hand strap. And so it's absolutely awesome, so much better than before. Also my son has been confirming that he loves it much better than before. He loves the extra comfort, the extra grip, and I love also the extra protection and how easy it was to apply. So it's a full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and thanks for watching.